How to make money with online content. Online content offers a great way to make money, to earn an income online. Let's look at a few of the top ways to do that. Number 1. Freelance designing. As a freelance designer, your income potential is good. Create a website for yourself that showcases your portfolio. Find work online in the classifieds and begin to build your profile. It will take you some time to get established, but it is well worth it as there is a lucrative income awaiting you. Number 2. Sell your music. You can sell your music directly from your own website. Radiohead did it a few years ago and raked in tons of money just by asking for donations. It made news headlines. As an independent, you can do this. Many are now. You don't need a middleman and you don't need a big label to sell your music. Number 3. Sell stock photos. If photography is your hobby, this is an excellent way to make money from it. People constantly are searching for stock photos by keyword, so find your best photos, upload them to a site like ShutterStock or Fotolia and start making money. It isn't a lot per sale, but if you have enough photos up there, you can build a nice side income that will surely come in handy. Number 4. Sell your articles. Websites, marketers, small businesses, they all need top-notch content that integrates their keywords so that they can drive traffic to their site. Initially you won't make much, but as you build a reputation you can start to charge more for your services. You can even submit your work to a few formal publications. Number 5. Sell an app. The app's marketplace includes millions upon millions of users, and so $1 or so per sale can generate a lot of money, if it's an app that there is demand for. If you have a really good idea, but you aren't a programmer, it might pay to hire a programmer. Just make sure that you retain all rights. Also make sure the idea isn't already out there, or it could make it much harder for you to make money. A good app can make you rich pretty darn quick, so if you think you can fill a niche and you don't see a solution on the market that fills that niche the way your app would, then go with it and don't miss your opportunity.